Hello, marhaba, shlonkum ahwalkum. What's up everybody? Welcome back with another video here with Rami the Iraqi. Today, the video is part 2 of ancient Mesopotamia. If you have not watched part 1, this will probably not make sense unless you know all the history. I personally didn't know anything, so I had to research all of this. So bear with me, go ahead and watch part 1 and then come back for part 2. Let's go ahead and dive in. So now we have the start of the ancient Assyrian kingdom in Nineveh. The Assyrians were under the king Puzur-Ashur I. Now the Assyrians have their own kingdom and they don't need the Sumerians or the Akkadians. After Puzur-Ashur I, there were 7 more kings. In 1860, the Amorites tribe, in Arabic Amoriyin, they attacked the Assyrian Empire under the king Shemshi-Adad I, and they started to rule the land of Ashur. Now remember, in the south, Babylon was ruled by Amorites tribe under the king Hammurabi. And now they have good relationship in the north in Ashur, the Amorites tribe, and in the south. After a while, the son of Shemshi, Ishmi Dagan, became king. His relationship with Hammurabi wasn't very good. So Hammurabi ended up taking over Ashur and added it to Babylon. And that was in 1770 BC. So this is the end of the ancient Assyrian Empire. In 1750 BC, Hammurabi died in Babylon, and everything started to fall down because it was ruled by weaker kings. Assyrian people in Ashur wanted to form their independence from Babylon, but due to certain civil wars between the Assyrians, they were not able to. Now in 1521, Puzur-Ashur III formed his independence from the south from Babylon, and this brings the Middle Assyrian era. So now Assyrians have their own independence and they're very happy and excited. But now in 1470, under the king Nur-Eli, the Hurrian people took over Ashur. But less than 40 years, the Assyrian under the king Nadin Ashur I, they went ahead and formed their independence again. So you see, Assyrians out, someone else comes in, Assyrian comes back in, someone else comes in. So it's all over the place. They keep invading this place over and over and over again. Assyrians started to build big army and branch out. Then Tukulti-Ninurta I took over Babylon. Then they kept on moving down all the way to what's known today as Bahrain, and Ashur map became big. After Tukulti I dies, Ashur started to get weak. Then Babylon started to take over again and declare its independence. But that didn't last very long. In 1115, under the king Tiglath-Pileser, he tried to get Ashur on its feet, but he couldn't and he was killed. But in 911 BC, under the king Adad-Nirani, the Middle Assyrian era is over, and now the modern Assyrian era starts. Then he started to strengthen the Assyrian army, he started strengthening the relationships with Babylon in the south, and he started to expand Ashur to Syria and Turkey. Now it's 831 BC, and Ashur-nasal-pal is king now. He started to strengthen the army more. He created the cart that kind of looks like a tank you can see in the Museum of London. Then he started heading to Syria. After Ashur-nasal-pal's death, Shalmaneser III became president in 859 BC. Other countries started to notice that Ashur was getting very strong, so they decided to group up together to take over. Jindubu, the king of Arabs, sent 1,000 soldiers. The Ammon king sent 700 soldiers. Israel king sent 10,000 soldiers. And another king in Syria sent 10,000 soldiers also. Now Shalmaneser or Shalmaneser III heard about everyone was trying to take him down. So what he did, he put an army together and he defeated all of them. And now Ashur and Babylon, they have good relationship. But then there's some civil war broke out in Babylon. So Shalmaneser III decided to go down to Babylon and take over Babylon and make it belong to Ashur. But unfortunately in 823, he died. So I know there's a lot of information, a lot of kings, but I just wanted to make these series of videos just to give you an insight about the culture. Because to be honest with you, I didn't know about all of this. I knew about some of it. So this forced me to research, to learn about my own country, to learn more, and also to educate you guys about it. So hopefully the video was not very boring. I'm gonna go ahead and carry on with this series because there's a lot more things going on, but I don't want to all cram it in one video because then it'll become boring. Thanks everyone for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.